when do I stop paying child maintenance? Well, it's a little bit of a complicated area. It's something we get asked a lot. So the bottom line is you have to pay child maintenance for your child or your children until they reach the age of 18 or finish full-time secondary education. So that would normally be A levels, it would normally be college, and they could be on a 3-year college course which could take them into their 19th year, or there may be a reason why they've missed a year of school and therefore it could continue past their 18th birthday. So it's when they get to their 18th birthday or finish full-time secondary education, whichever is the latter. And I think the latest that you can do that is usually up to 20 years old. It doesn't include normally tertiary education, so university. That would normally be a separate agreement that you've reached with the other party on how you're going to fund your child or children through their university. It can finish earlier if they leave school and go into, for example, an apprentice scheme. Now, there's different types of apprenticeship schemes. There's ones where you're at college and you go out 1 or 2 days a week, perhaps, because you're learning a trade, and you would still need to pay child maintenance in that situation. But there are apprentices at 16, 17, where the child actually is in full-time employee, albeit on an apprenticeship scheme. And in such situations, you don't need to then pay child maintenance. A good way of testing it is the child, or is a parent with responsibility for the child, still in receipt of child benefits? If they are getting child benefits, you normally have to pay child maintenance. So that could be quite a good litmus test. So 16 if they're on a full-time apprenticeship scheme but not at college, 18 or when they finished full-time secondary education otherwise, and sort out university separate. I hope that makes sense.